Make sure to like the video, subscribe and press the bell icon. JavaScript Responsive Navigation Menu with drop-downs. In this video I show you how to make responsive navigation menu with drop-downs. At the end of the tutorial, you will also find the link to the full code. Without further ado, let's jump into it. So this is our navbar and navigation menus. We have section for logo, section for menus and section for search. If we mouse over the menus with arrow, you see the drop-down menus appears. And if come over the more, you see there is another sub-menu appears. This is the search button. If we click the search button, the search boxes appears. To close search box we have to click on X button. In this way our search box is gone. I have to remind you this is completely responsive. If we resize the screen to mobile size, you see it customize itself so it's fully responsive. The search box works just like before. If we click this button the menu will appear. And everything works great. Now let's see how to make it. Here is our project folder. Inside it we have 3 files. I will talk about each one in a moment. The first file is index.html. Inside it we have the construction of page. First we linked our style.css and also we linked the box icons library. Inside the body tag we have our nav. So this section is for our nav logo construction. This section is all about our navbar menus and sub-menus. The last section is for our search box icon and input. At the end we linked our JavaScript file. The second file is style.css for styling our page. Inside it first of all we imported Google Font Library. We apply some basic design to our page. And this is all styles for our navbar, menus and search box, nothing very specials. This is important section at media max width. It means whenever our screen size is smaller than 920px we apply these designs to our elements, so we change the element sizes, locations, and etc. to make it responsive. We did the same thing for smaller size screens. The third file is script.js and the most important one, all actions happen here. So first of all we selected our HTML elements by class using query selector and put it inside a variable. This is an event listener for search box. Whenever we click the search button it shows the search by using toggle class. This section is for sidebar open close while the user open the page on mobile or small screen. First we selected the HTML elements using query selector and put them inside variables. So whenever we click the button it applies some change to style and the sidebar menu will appear. And this is for menu close button which will close it when the button is clicked. This block of code is for sidebar sub-menu open and close functionality while the user open the page on mobile or small screen. First we selected the HTML elements using query selector and put them inside variables. Then when we click on the selected element this function will run which will toggle the menu. And the same thing for sub-menus and second menu. I have to remind you whenever you add a new menu you need to come here and put a new block of code same as this one for that specific menu elements to function properly. So my friends, that's all for this tutorial. I hope you learned something. If you have any question make sure to ask it on comment. If you like this video make sure to like, subscribe and press the bell icon. Have a great time.